Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 2.2% compared to the previous day, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 1.73% compared to the same day last year, and the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 0.46% compared to the same day last year.
Latest news.
Ethereum, ETH, surpasses 2,500 USDT with a 3.22% 3.2% increase in 24 hours. Ethereum has increased by 3.22% 3.2% in the past 24 hours, reaching a new high of 1,500 USDT on February 10, 2024. According to Binance market data. CoinDesk 20 index breaks 1,700 level as Bitcoin and Ether show significant uptrend. CoinDesk's CoinDesk 20 index broke past 1,700 level on February 7, supported by strong price trends across smart contracts and net inflows into crypto-linked products. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, trend indicators register significant uptrend, with over $700 million flowing into the market. The US dollar's recent increase in interest rates helps move it higher, but the January reversal appears to be stalling as the Fed's campaign of hawkish rhetoric begins to subside. New Bitcoin ETF product holdings now surpass the MicroStrategy Treasury, accounting for 1.2% of Bitcoin, about 1% of all future supply. Ramp launches cryptocurrency onboarding program without ID verification. Ramp introduces cryptocurrency onboarding program without identity verification. Foresight News reports that Ramp, a cryptocurrency payment company, has introduced a new onboarding program for its users that eliminates the need for identity verification. The program, which is initially launched in Brazil, requires users to provide only their tax identification number and a selfie to participate, without requiring them to submit a government ID photo. This innovative approach is intended to promote cryptocurrency adoption and increase user trust. Ramp is a leading provider of cryptocurrency payment services. Ethereum gas fees surged to 340 GWei, Etherscan data shows. Ethereum gas fees have soared to around 340 GWei, with current rate at 220 GWei, according to Foresight News. Data from Etherscan reveals that in the past 3 hours, the top 3 ETH spenders were Uniswap, 154.73 ETH, Banana Gun, 196.06 ETH, and Maestro, 136.48 ETH. The surge in gas fees indicates increased activity on the Ethereum network, with users paying higher fees to have their transactions processed. Uniswap, Banana Gun, and Maestro are among the top contributors to this increase in gas fees, as they have spent significant amounts of ETH in the past few hours. Pandora breaks through $30,000, surges by 7% in 24 hours. Pandora has broken through the $30,000 mark on the CoinGecko cryptocurrency exchange, with a 71% increase in value in the past 24 hours. Optimism to temporarily suspend ETH withdrawals for accident response system test. Optimism will temporarily suspend ETH withdrawal services on February 15 to test an upgraded accident response system. The test will affect ETH withdrawals from Layer 2 to the Ethereum mainnet, but not deposits from the mainnet to the second layer network. The system upgrade aims to improve coordinated response capabilities of different chains within the Optimism ecosystem in the event of a security incident. The new accident response system will support on-chain suspension of Ethereum withdrawals and add a feature that allows the suspension of token and NFT withdrawals within the superchain scope, applicable to Optimism and Optimism-based chains that choose to join. Ethereum breaks through $2,500 mark, reports 3.46% daily increase. Ethereum has surpassed $2,500 USDT, with a daily increase of 3.46%, according to Foresight News. Inswap launches on BNB chain, opens minting and trading. Inswap, a decentralized inscription protocol, has announced its launch on the BNB chain. The protocol will be available for minting and trading on February 10th at midnight Beijing. Inswap's DAO will introduce a sharing plan for future platform equity based on evaluations and individual preferences. The protocol aims to address issues of excessive reliance on centralized indexers and poor liquidity in the current EVM inscription market. Ethereum (ETH) surpasses 2,500 USDT with a 2.7% 2.70 increase in 24 hours. Ethereum has increased by 2.7% 2.70 in the past 24 hours, reaching a price of 1,500 USDT on February 9th, 2024, according to Binance market data. Stocks and cryptocurrencies rise as labor market shows resilience. Blockworks reports that stocks and cryptocurrencies experienced an increase on Friday, despite a resilient labor market. Initial unemployment claims were slightly lower than anticipated, with actual claims being 6% lower than those for the comparable week in 2020. Revised consumer price index data shows that prices rose less than initially reported in December and October, but slightly more than previously thought in November. Interest rate futures prices indicate a 17% likelihood of a March rate cut, down from about 40% last month. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, saw gains, with Bitcoin gaining 12% and Ether increasing by 9%. Stocks also demonstrated resilience, with the S&P 500 closing above 5,000 for the first time ever, positioning it 1.4% higher over the past 5 trading days. Marathon Digital explores Bitcoin mining opportunities in Africa. Marathon Digital, North America's largest public crypto miner, is considering expanding its operations to Africa. The company has already expanded to the United Arab Emirates and Paraguay. Charlie Schumacher, Vice President of Corporate Communications at Marathon Digital, believes that Bitcoin mining could be a technology solution for the energy sector in Africa. The company's mining operations in Ethiopia have seen an influx of miners as companies search for low-cost energy and favorable climate conditions. Schumacher also notes that Bitcoin miners could incentivize the build-out of more power infrastructure across the continent by serving as the first customer for new power projects. Marathon Digital increased its hash rate in January to 26.4 exahashes per second, EHS, a 10% month-over-month increase. Ethereum, ETH, drops below 2,500 USDT with a 2.87% 2.80 increase in 24 hours. Ethereum has fallen below 2,500 USDT on February 9th, 2024, with a 2.87% 2.80 increase in 24 hours. The price has been impacted by recent market volatility. Solana network outage caused by previously known bug. Solana's post-mortem report reveals an infinite loop bug was responsible for the network outage on Tuesday. The bug led to validators endlessly repeating an action, preventing the network from processing more transactions. The Solana team deployed a fix to address the bug in a new release, which eliminates the ability to create preconditions required to trigger the bug. The issue is consistent with a bug identified during a recent DevNet outage and was first reported in April 2022. The outage is the 6th major outage for Solana since its inception. The price of SOL, Solana's native asset, briefly dipped on the news of the outage but quickly recovered. Market data suggests that market responses to Solana network outages have become more muted over time.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.